In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and WooCommerce. By the end, you'll know how to use a quick Google search to reach the official WooCommerce site, open the extensions marketplace, and locate the Klarna for WooCommerce extension so you can review its details with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type WooCommerce and press Enter. You'll see a mix of results, sometimes including ads. Look for the official result from woocommerce.com. It's a good habit to check the URL before you click, and make sure you see the secure padlock in your browser once the page loads. Going through the official site helps you avoid outdated or unofficial downloads. Click the WooCommerce result to land on the home page. On the top navigation, you'll find key sections like products, extensions, themes, and resources. You don't need to sign in just to browse, though having an account can help later if you decide to purchase or manage licenses. For now, we're just exploring. Next, open the Extensions section from the main menu. This is the WooCommerce Marketplace, a curated catalog of plugins built to extend your store's functionality. Here, you can browse by category, sort by relevance or popularity, and use search to jump straight to what you need. It's helpful to note that each listing includes compatibility information and documentation links, which are essential when planning changes to a live store. Use the search bar within the Extensions Marketplace and type Klarna for WooCommerce. Klarna is a popular payment solution that can offer flexible payment options to your customers. Typing the full name helps you reach the official integration faster and avoids similarly named add-ons. When the results appear, click on the Klarna for WooCommerce listing. This opens the product page where you can review everything in one place. A description of what the extension does, screenshots, version history, supported countries, and the specific WooCommerce and WordPress versions it's compatible with. Take a moment to check the Tested Up To details, read through the requirements, and open the documentation and support tabs. Reviews and changelogs can also offer insight into stability and recent updates. If you manage a production site, plan to validate compatibility in a staging environment and confirm that your regional settings and store currency align with Klarna's availability and policies. That's it. You used Google to reach the official WooCommerce site, navigated to the Extensions Marketplace, searched for Klarna for WooCommerce, and opened the official listing to review details and documentation. Bookmark the page for easy reference and take your time evaluating compatibility and requirements before making changes to your store.